Tired of a dumb home? Here are 5 smart upgrades you can buy right now in 2026. First up, we have the 2-inch ultra-thin gimbal LED recessed lighting. This high-quality lighting solution is perfect for anyone wanting to add targeted illumination without bulky fixtures. The adjustable gimbal design allows for a full 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree tilt, which is fantastic for highlighting, artwork, accent walls, or even kitchen counters. If you've got sloped ceilings or display shelves, these lights are a game changer for directing light exactly where you need it. Imagine precisely illuminating your new gallery wall or brightening a specific work area in your kitchen with ease. Next, at number 2, is the Sourdough Starter Warmer. This compact proofer is a godsend for home bakers looking to perfect their sourdough game. It provides consistent, targeted warmth with precise 1 degree Fahrenheit control, 65, 110 degrees, ensuring your starter is always active and your dough rises beautifully. The 24-hour timer means you can set it and forget it, taking all the guesswork out of proofing. Anyone who bakes bread, pizza, or even needs to gently melt chocolate will appreciate its functionality and the peace of mind from its built-in safety features like overheat protection. Now for number 3, we have the DG44 01 Sozo 6B Papi Air Arzioso 1 to 12D 2-position rotary switch. This might seem niche, but it's a high-quality replacement part for Samsung gas stove control panels. If you've got a faulty burner switch on your Samsung gas stove, this is the solution. It's designed for direct replacement and repair, saving you from having to buy an entirely new appliance. This product is for anyone who's handy and wants to extend the life of their existing kitchen appliances by tackling common repairs themselves, ensuring your stove is fully functional again. Coming in at number 4 is the VOLISUN 8-pack 6-inch recessed lighting. This is an excellent option for upgrading your general room lighting with a smart touch. The standout feature is the 5-color temperature selectable switch, allowing you to choose between 2700K and 5000K to match your mood or room's aesthetic. No more wrong color temperature headaches. These lights are also IC rated and ETL UL certified, guaranteeing safety and reliability. With a generous 5-year service period, these are ideal for homeowners looking for trustworthy, versatile, and dimmable ceiling lighting that's easy to install and adjust. And finally, number 5 is the Satco S9599-12 Quick Trim LED Recessed Downlight Retrofit. This 12-pack of 2 unit boxes, totaling 24 units, is perfect for transforming multiple rooms with energy-efficient lighting. These retrofits are incredibly versatile, fitting 5 to 6-inch cans, and offer a warm white light that brightens any living space, from bedrooms to bathrooms, as they are damp rated. Dimmable capability lets you customize the ambiance, and their Energy Star rating means significant savings on your electricity bill. If you're looking to upgrade an entire home's outdated recessed lighting with a long-lasting, efficient, and adaptable solution, this is it. There you have it. 5 affordable smart home upgrades for 2026. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best deals on all these products. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss another video from us. Let me know in the comments below which upgrade you're most excited about or what products you want to see reviewed next. See you in the next one.